Come again.
So this is an aerospace education opportunity for cadets, and the Fort McHenry Composite Squadron is sending a weather balloon with a payload with the hopes of breaking 100,000 feet. This is our second time we've done a weather balloon launch. The first time we got roughly around 90,000 feet, and this time we're doing it in the form of a CubeSat, and it will have a camera on board, hoping we will get some nice pictures of the stratosphere. And on this pretty cloud-free day, we should be able to see for a very great distance. And this is all pending recovery of the payload, because we're not transmitting images, it's just a Canon camera on board, and the flight track so far has it landing somewhere in the whereabouts of northern Philadelphia. So we're going to have about a 150-mile trek to recover the payload, and hopefully we'll find it.
And then where do you do once you receive the information? Do you?
Well, there's a data logger that will be recording the GPS and some other sensors like temperature and pressure, and that kind of stuff will help us make sense of what happened on the flight. And hopefully, if we get all that, we'll know exactly how high this flight went. Unfortunately, our first flight, we lost radio contact during the peak of the flight, so we don't know exactly how high it went. But if we recover this one, we will.
Okay.
So do you have a little GPS in the bird?
Yeah, there's two of them. There's one that will work at high altitude but not so well on the ground, and then there's one that will work better on the ground. And there's one tracker that's based off a cellular module, so that's the one that will work better on the ground. So
yes.
I'll be able to text it, and it will reply back with GPS coordinates and some telemetry. And then, but that won't work at, cell phone service cuts out at about 10,000 feet. So above that, we're relying on our amateur radio transmitter that will be giving us telemetry.
So text back, I'm in northern Philadelphia, and they have guns.
Don't see no sharing.
All right, we should probably